Shower thoughts. Why haven't I taken a shower in 8 days? The reasons are numerous, and I will start telling them to you now. First of all, I have recently learned that there is a secret government conspiracy regarding the chemicals that they put into our water systems. And anytime that a water tower goes down, which is frequent around here, it's weird. You can see them collapsing. Next video, I'm going to show one collapsing. It's insane. Uh, they say that, like, for matters of public safety, they have to, like, turn off the water supply, when I know full well that all they need to do is redirect the water supply to the storm drain network into our main lines, so we can have that fresh sweet water, just like in Flint, Michigan. And I'm sorry I had to rub my nose a little bit, but that's also what happens when you have these crazy wildfires happening in not Flint, Michigan, but also the northeastern United States. And oh, uh, oh, oh, it's still going.